Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautybyada here again, and today we are going to be doing a large knotless box braid for kids. And if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful hair, just keep on watching. Welcome back guys. If you're new to my channel, you're seeing me for the first time, or you're coming across this channel for the first time, please be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. I really do appreciate all your support, and I really appreciate all you guys that have been tuning into my channel. So let's just get started. First of all, you want to patch down your hair. You already know, like I say, I use my shine and jam. I have the link in the description box down below. If you want to get the exact shine and jam that I use, I have the link down there in the description box down below. So do go ahead, click away and get yours. Okay, it's very good. It not only helps you to make your parts clean, it also helps to moisturize your scalp after braiding. So I am going to be starting this braid with her natural hair, more like you're trying to start a feeding braid, and then you keep feeding it in till it gets to like the size that you want your hair to be. Okay, I believe you can see clearly what I am doing, feeding it in until it becomes like it comes to the size that I want it to be. Then I stop feeding in and continue to braid it down. And by the way, this is a 4C natural hair, and yeah, you can see you cannot see any of her hair out because of the technique, or should I say the method that I used in doing her hair. You just have to be very, I don't know how to put it, but you just have to be very careful. And I don't want her hair sticking out at the end or anything. You can see her hair and how I molded everything, with the shine and jam. It makes it easier for you to braid down your hair, and more especially when you have a natural 4C hair, or if you have a natural hair and you're trying to put that hair down so that your braids can come out neat. Shine and jam helps you a whole lot. And then the technique as well, the technique you call, the covering of the hair and all that. You can see right there that you can't see any of her hair coming out or sticking out. I just blended everything in so well. That's my tuck in game so strong. So yeah, I actually wanted to do, she has a very beautiful hair. I actually wanted to do a smaller, knotless braid, but then you know how kids can be. She never ever sits to do her hair, so I just went for the large, or this is even like the jumbo size. This is a jumbo size. This is a jumbo size braids, a jumbo size knotless braids. Yeah, she's getting some kisses because she's just struggling to sit down right there and do her hair. So I'm trying all I can just to keep her there. You can see how clean the parts are when you use your shine and jam. So there again, you guys can clearly see everything. Start off your braids and make sure you hold on to it. Make sure you're gripping it well. I mean, it's not like the painful type of gripping, but there's a way you grip your hair and it's secure and not painful. Yeah, let me put it that way. It's secure and not painful. Braids doesn't have to be painful for it to be secure. They are two different things. So it has to be secure and not painful. Okay, so Yeah, you can see how clean it is, and she doesn't have any of her hair sticking out. So yeah, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what exactly are you waiting for? Like, I look at my analytics and I see that people who are watching my videos are like that are not subscribed are more than the people who are subscribed and watching my video, and it's so heartbreaking. Honestly, I'm just wondering, and I just keep asking, like, what exactly is it that I am doing wrong, that when they come they just watch the videos and then they leave? How do I convert those people that watch that are not subscribed? How do I convert them to subscribers? I mean, if you're a YouTuber, you know how it is. Like, it's just so heartbreaking. Okay, so please, if you're here, and maybe let me say, you guys usually forget, so if you're here, let me remind you, and you have not subscribed, it means like the red button is still red, it means you have not subscribed. Please do go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a new video. Okay, and if you do like this video, of course, please do go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to tell me what you think in the comment section, and also if you have any video ideas, anything that you'd like to know, or any video that you want to see on my channel, or anything that you want to learn, and just do go ahead please and leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family if you found it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family if you found it helpful. And yeah, please, all these things are free and they help my channel, so please do go ahead and do all of that. Like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. Please, I really do appreciate all your support, and thank you so much for always watching. So let's keep going. I believe you will definitely learn from this video, because everything was very clear. I was very intentional about this video. I had to, show you clearly, even if I had to like make myself uncomfortable while doing her hair, but I just wanted to show you guys everything so you guys can like learn from the video. Okay, So yes guys, we are coming to the end of this video, and I want to remind you, if you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified when next I post a new video. And finally, yeah, I'm so happy we are done with her hair, and I can really go do something else right now. And yeah, after that, I don't dip her hair in hot water. I just do go ahead and take out the extra stray hairs or whatever. I just take that out, and then I apply mousse on her hair, and that is all. So I always give this advice: if your child cannot stand the hot water thing, please do not bother putting that. I mean, the hair will still come out clean and beautiful just like this one. So please just only apply the mousse on her hair and she'll be fine. Okay, because she cannot stand the hot water, so I did not bother applying any mousse on her hair. I did not bother applying hot water. I just went on to apply the mousse, and then I am putting in her beads, because of course, what is kids hair without the colorful beautiful beads that makes them look so beautiful, and it makes them look like babies really. So I just love doing that. And please, yeah, if you have not subscribed, do go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Please don't forget to leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section, and yeah, I will get back to you guys. And if you have any other thing, any video idea, go ahead, leave that suggestion in the comment section. Like this video, share this video to your friends and family so they can actually enjoy what you really enjoyed and learn what you learned. Yeah, right? Okay, so look at that smile. I live for that smile. Okay, that smile is everything to me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribe like right now. Click that subscribe button right there and click on the notification bell. Thank you so much. She's happy, I am happy. I live for that smile, and that is all that matters. She's so pretty. Like, I can't believe how pretty she is. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.